Hello friends, welcome back to Getting Started part of Learn Java Programming from Scratch. Today I will discuss about the tools you need to get started with Java programming and show you how to install Java development environment in Visual Studio Code. So we need at least two tools to start coding with Java: Java JDK or Java Development Kit and an IDE or simple text editor to write code and edit code, or IDE integrated development environment or simple text editor. So Java JDK, we can download Java JDK or Java Development Kit from Oracle's website. We can go to oracle.com forward slash Java technologies slash Java SC or Java Standard Edition dash downloads.html, this links, or we can find it from its homepage. Downloads from homepage. Developer downloads Java. We need Java SC. And this is the page we are looking for. Okay, you can this way come to the download page from the home page, or directly by writing this URL in the address bar of the web browser. Okay, you have to download this one, and to save time I already downloaded it, so let's install it. Okay, this is the file. Double click, next, and let's leave it to the default installation directory. Next, and it's in progress. Okay, while it get installed, let's discuss about the IDE. There are three IDEs of my choice, and two of them I used before. I am using currently VS Code, and we will install Java functionality for VS Code at last of this discussion. Successfully installed. Okay, close. Okay, the IDEs of my choice is NetBeans, Eclipse, and VS Code or Visual Studio Codes. The NetBeans, this is the NetBeans website. This is one of popular IDE for programming Java, JavaScript, HTML5, C, C++, PHP, etc. I am not going to deep information about NetBeans or Eclipse to save times, but I will create details walkthrough or details video about any of the IDE. If you want, please ask me in the comment section, and I will try to create a details this walkthrough video for any IDE. So let's see the Eclipse. This is Eclipse Foundation's website. Eclipse is another popular IDE for Java, C, C++, even PHP, HTML, CSS, etc. This is another popular IDE, or there are numerous IDE on these three. You can choose any of. Let's go to the homepage of Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Codes is one of the popular IDE, and it has many types of required functionalities for using with various types of languages, and if it has numerous types of plugins, we can add extra functionalities by installing them. And it has IntelliSense. What is IntelliSense? IntelliSense is syntax highlighting and autocomplete with IntelliSense. It has good Git commands building, exchangeable and customizable, deploy with confidential JS. And here are various types of languages: C Sharp, Python, Java, CSS, C++, Objective-C, Groovy, Conjure, PHP, and so on. And here is the download options for Windows, Macs, and Linux. Let's jump to the installation section, because I am going to install Java for Visual Studio Codes. I have already installed Visual Studio Code and also installed Java JDK. You can install Java Visual Studio plugin even if you have already installed Visual Studio Code earlier. I am going to install the extension, but you can also install this from scratch. You can download Visual Studio Code, install it, and then install the plugin. So here is the tutorial how to install it. Let's check the tutorial and install it. Installing Java Development Kit. We already installed Java Development Kit and I already downloaded Java for VS Code. Let's install it now. This one, Java installer for Windows. Let accept terms as next. Required components are listed below. Java Development Kit installed, Visual Studio Code installed. So we already installed the required softwares, and now let's click install, and it's installing. Okay, this is the setting, and here is the video how we can test if the Java plugin installed successfully or not. You can come to these links: code.visualstudio.com/docs/java/java-tutorial, and follow this instruction how to use them or how to install it. It's taking some time. Okay, Visual Studio Code Java Pack installation finished. Let's click finish. Installation successful. Let's close. Okay, installation complete. Setting for the JDK. Let's test the setting. Control Shift P. Control Shift P. And okay, everything seems fine. Okay, the installation successfully finished. That's it for today. In the next video, I'll discuss about Java syntax, and we'll get our hand dirty with coding. So until then, goodbye. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos with your friend. If you already subscribed, thanks for that. And if you have any question, please don't forget to ask in the comment section, and I will try to get as soon as possible to answer your questions. Thank you very much. Thank you.